Hey everyone, this is Mrs. O. I'm going to show you how to take your completed or your work in progress image, artwork from Sketchpad and put it in your slides in Schoology or your Google Drive document. Okay, if you haven't already, go ahead and save it. Click on that disk where it says export, download.png. It will download to your computer, okay? Then I'm going to open Schoology, go to the assignment, which is located in Unit 2, Tuesday for 1 through 5, Tuesday for 1 through 4, Wednesday for 5 through 8. I'm going to scroll all the way down to the Shape Choice Board activity. You're going to choose your block. So I am in block 1, Schoology page, so I'm going to click block 1. Okay. In order to insert your image, you're going to click Insert, Image, Image, and then Upload from Computer. I know it looks funny what I'm doing right now, but it'll make sense. Okay, Upload from Computer. You're going to go to your downloads, download your drawing. So I am going to put my incomplete drawing here because that's my work in progress. Work in progress goes on the left, and you'll post this at the end of class. Let me erase these. Okay. And then I'm going to put my final, if you've completed your project and every section has been colored and your entire picture plane is filled with leaves, you're going to click Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, insert your completed piece on the right. The work in progress always goes on the left. The final always goes on the right. Make sure that you have your titles. So titles. Okay, you can copy and paste from my slide. I will always have my slides up. Please make sure that your label and image is there. Work in progress on the left and the final on the right. Okay, you do not have to tell me that you have posted your work because I will periodically go through here and check. If it's past the due date, then you can tell me that you have posted it so you can get credit for posting your work. Okay? All right, this project is due on October 2nd. That's this Friday. Okay, I may extend it to October 4th to Sunday. But no later than Sunday should you post your completed project, okay? All right. Have fun and get to creating.